Okay, let's see what we can do with this piece of paper that we've got. Wonder how big we're going to make it. We're going to basically bleed removal, we definitely need that. We're not making it negative positive. No, get out. So we're just going to make it contrasty, and we're going to lighten it off a fair bit. So let's see how this turns out, if we can make it look good. Alright, let's see what we have. We have here, I think this was Christmas, I think last year in Martin Place. So this was in a travel, or I don't know, I think it was in a, I think it was a Japanese magazine, if I remember correctly, which is where I got that from. A Japanese magazine for a change, or paper. I think it's more like a paper. It's like a bit like a cross between a paper and a magazine, if you know what I mean. It's got a lot of paper in it, but it's like a book. It's like a lot of the Chinese stuff that I do. So we're going to go, so the horizontal is going to be 360, and the vertical is going to be, we're making it 400. So let's see how we go with this. Alright, let's see how we go. Let's see what our image looks like. I had a feeling we need more. We got to make a master copy out of this. It looks crisp, a little bit wishy-washy, but it looks crisp. We're going to have to make this our master copy for this. Wondering well, what are we going to do with this? Going to make this horizontal is going to be 100 and wondering if we're going to change this. The vertical, we can enlarge it bigger. The vertical was 400%. This was smaller. So now we're going to make this bigger. I thought we had to make a master copy. Sorry, folks. We're going to make this a lot bigger. We're going to make this 380 by 400. 400 was on the vertical, and the vertical was fine. So it's just making a big enlargement for the horizontal. It's easy to get the two confused, folks. Even I do. I'm actually wondering if we're going to pull up this job and change the image quality settings there. Look a bit, the image looks too wishy-washy. Maybe we can just go in here. Maybe we can dare to darken it a fair bit. And see how we go. So let's see if a little bit of darkness will help in conjunction with the background removal. Hopefully we won't have to pull up some of the background removal. It's not easy getting it right. So let's see how we go. Yeah, that looks a lot better. The definition's better. See, that looks wishy-washy compared with that. And also we've got that fitting the page. So that'll look good. That looks good. Now the tricky bit is, where do we put the centre of the job? So we're going to make this part the centre. This part up in the top corner is going to be the centre. This will be an interesting one. So we're just going to press these off. Alright, let's get this one out. So yeah, it looks better with the darkness on a bit darker instead of too light and airy. So wishy-washy, as I like to call it simply. So we're just going to try and line these up. And we're going to now print off 2 sets of mirrors to finish the job. So let's see how we go. And we're just going to fly over here to our mirror image, switch that on, and then hit 2 copies each of this job, and we'll be on our way. Alright, out it comes. Okay, that's it. Now we're just going to line these up, our little mirrors, with our normal copies, our regular copies. So we're just going to line these up just a little. It's not easy getting it right, especially when their pages are curling, which makes it extremely difficult to get a good fit, a good position. So I'm just lining it up with the clock, which is a bit tricky, but anyway, that looks better than I imagined it would look. So yeah, there you have it.